The Blue Zone diet is a dynamic approach to eating that offers not only the promise of weight loss but also a pathway to overall health and longevity. Derived from the lifestyles of people in regions known as blue zones, where populations have a high percentage of centenarians, this diet is captivating the attention of health enthusiasts worldwide. What makes the Blue Zone diet unique is its emphasis on plant-based foods. Driven by the principles of simplicity and balance, this diet encourages the consumption of fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and nuts. Animal protein is limited to small portions of fish and lean meats, while dairy products and processed foods are kept to a minimum. By adopting the Blue Zone diet, individuals can experience a range of benefits beyond just weight loss. This eating plan has been associated with a decreased risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancers. It can also improve gut health, increase energy levels, and enhance mental clarity. One of the key factors contributing to the success of the Blue Zone diet is its focus on the social aspect of eating. In Blue Zone communities, meals are often shared with family and friends, fostering a sense of belonging and connection. Additionally, mindful eating practices, such as savoring each bite and listening to one's body's hunger and fullness cues, are encouraged. To embrace the Blue Zone diet, incorporating simple lifestyle changes is crucial. This involves prioritizing whole foods over processed options, reducing meat consumption, and embracing the joy of cooking with fresh ingredients. Regular exercise, maintaining a healthy weight, and finding purpose and fulfillment in life are also vital elements for reaping the full benefits of this diet. The Blue Zone diet offers individuals a path to not only shed unwanted pounds but also to cultivate a healthier and more vibrant life. By embracing the principles of this eating plan, one can unlock the secrets to longevity and discover the joy of nourishing both body and soul.